The surveillance camera captured a surprising moment. The CCTV footage shows that, upon hearing disturbing sounds from her neighbor's house, the young woman immediately called the police. However, when they arrived, the situation wasn't as serious as she had thought. Behind those sounds was a truly sad story.
Okay, so I met your other neighbors. They're riding a red golf cart, okay, and they seem normal.
Yeah.
Okay, older couple, they live across the street from these people. So she was crying because she buried her pet rat. Her rat died. A rat, R-A-T. And she was screaming her head off, and she buried it. And so when I went over there, you probably think I'm more crying because I said, hey, are you okay? What's going on? Somebody hurting you?